continue through this. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up Docker as well as computer use on your own local laptop or desktop computer, and you'll be the expert around your neighborhood. CD into that folder. .setup sh. So now we're going to go ahead and create a Docker build. So let's go ahead and do so. Here's the command. I'll go ahead and paste that into Notion so that you guys are aware. I'll paste it here in the Docker setup. Amazing. You can see that it's buffering quite a bit here and setting up a few ports. So we'll just give it a little bit of time to run here. As you can see, it's only 2 out of 13 here. We have our Docker desktop -Linux. So we're setting up our container there. We are back. And now we are able to run our application since all of our images have now been built. So there's just a simple command that we need to run. But prior to doing so, we'll check this out within Docker desktop. We have information about the container that we're running. We see that it's on Ubuntu platform, ARM64. We have some information about the artifact, the build result. I'll bore you guys to death later, the moment you've all been waiting for. We just finished building our Docker image utilizing the command docker build. So the goal now is to have the application run. So what I'm going to have to do is set up my Anthropic API key to be exported to my local environment so that the application understands where my Anthropic key is. Command essentially is, so in this region over here, you won't have this. We're actually going to have your real API key. Delete this and I'm going to paste my Anthropic API key. This part of the video I will have to do off camera. I can't do that on camera, so I'll return right after I do that. Be right back. We're going to run the command that's going to allow us to build the application. Here's the command that we're going to run. You'll have this pop up. So this is good. We'll go ahead and allow. Now here you see it mentions starting tint on display : 1. Starting mutter, starting VNC, port equals 5900, starting no VNC started successfully. Computer use demo is ready. Now it says open up localhost 8080 in the browser to begin. I'll go ahead and do so. And there we have it. We have successfully set up computer use by Anthropic. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button and we'll continue the rest of the video. I'm hoping that this has helped you out.